Hey guys, it's Mike with Too Easy Games, and today I just wanted to announce that I'm going to be starting this devlog series on creating my third mobile game. I currently have two games out on the marketplace right now, Llama Leap and Ladder, but I wanted to try something new by creating this devlog series to kind of help me keep track and maybe just share my progress with others who may be interested in game development and don't know where to start. I'll kind of walk through my process of where I start and then just from start to finish go from there. So a little bit about myself. I'm a solo indie developer, again working on my third game. I've been messing with Unity for probably about 5 years now, and I just started taking it seriously about a year ago. And then it was about 6 months ago is when I released my first game. I'll release a video on how well those two how those two games are doing at a later date to kind of give people an actual feeling, and just to see how when you don't have that following, you don't market. Really all I used was Twitter to announce the game, and just kind of show you the stats on those and show you how they're doing. But again, I've been using Unity for about 5 years now. I have my bachelor's in software. Currently don't do that for a living. I would love to, but it's just so hard to break into that industry, and I'm kind of using game development as like a tool to help me get into that kind of position. Where I currently work, I'm in a 5-year, it's like I don't want to say contract, but it's like a 5-year position, so I'm in this position for 5 years. So that gives me some time to work on these games outside of family and as like a hobby. So in this first video, I'm going to start how I start all of my projects, and that is by going to Trello and creating a board for the game that I'm designing. I break that board up into 3 separate columns to do what I'm doing or what I'm currently working on, and then what is done. And in the first column in my to-do list, I took notes the other night at work, broke down the concept of the game, the levels, the characters, the currency, maybe an in-app store, a bonus level, bosses, all of that. And I go through and I put each of those into like an individual column, and that helps me keep track of what I need to do for the game so it doesn't turn out to be spaghetti. I know I've done that in the past with a bunch of my other projects. They turn into spaghetti because I just start working on multiple things at once, and it just gets away from me. And then once things start getting away from you, then you get overwhelmed, and you just give up, and you just get discouraged, and that's not what I'm trying to do with this project. I'm trying to make this, so far I'm trying to make this the best project that I've ever worked on, just learning from my past 2 projects. But then I go into each individual item on the to-do list, and I kind of add more detail to them, and that I can just reference this board without having to get my notebook out or anything like that. Reference the board. It tells me what I need to do, gives me more detail about each character, each level, the power-ups, the scoring, how I want the scoring to work, how I want the store to work. What are the players going to use in the store? Are they going to use coins? Are they going to use dollar bills? How are they going to use that stuff? And once I'm done with Trello, this is where I will go into Unity and actually start working on the project. But that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed any of this, just give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys want to follow the series. I will be live streaming the game as I develop it, and I'll kind of record that and then post that stuff on YouTube for this devlog series. But if you guys would like to follow me on Twitch, that's fine as well. I'll post all that information down below, the Twitter, Twitch, all of that. Kind of give you updated. I'll stream it as I'm working on it, and then I'll update it for this devlog series. But if there's any questions, anything you guys want to see as I'm going through the series, if you guys see anything in the game that you guys are like, man, I really want to know how you got that to work. How did you make this character do that, or anything like that? Just drop comments, questions, or anything in the comment section below. And again, I'm new to YouTube, so if you have any advice on YouTube or anything like that, just let me know. Be much appreciated to kind of help make this devlog series better, and I'm sure it'll get better as the series goes on and I learn more. But again, I appreciate you guys watching the video, and if have any questions, just let me know. Thanks again, guys. See you in the next video.